and welcome to Sea Gunzels. I am Woodrow from the Sea Gunzels videoing stuff, and outside my window today you can see the top of the Opera House over a giant cruise ship at Circular Quay. Yes, that's totally weird. I think I'm going to go and check it out later. So, this is my last day in Sydney, sort of. My flight leaves at 3:30 tomorrow from Dormistic Airport. Okay, so why I went to Maya today and I visited their toy department / what they're doing right now, which is Wonderland. I don't know if that's an all-time thing or if that's just special for this occasion. I'm not going to unbox this, but I did get a new Hot Wheels Monster Jam, and it's a 124, and it's one I've really wanted all for this year that has been so far. Alien Invasion. Just look at that. Look at that. Right there. I hear this was made out of Iron Man. So now we know Iron Man's not going to be returning. Here's the outcoming replacement. Still got the price tag there. $29.95 was the price for this at Maya Westfield Sydney, and it's quite cool. I am not going to open it up, as I think I've already said. And by the way, this morning I saw a cruise ship. I saw another cruise ship today. Oh, seems like I can't even get a price tag off. Can't even get a price tag off plastic. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Okay. Coming off now, are you? Yes. Not all of you, but oh well. There you go. There's the price tag. One last time before I chuck it away into the bin. Is now 5:39 Australian Eastern Standard Time. Monster Jam. And obviously, other trucks in the batch include Mohawk Warrior. That's Alien Invasion, in case you were wondering why I skipped that. Avenger, which at World Finals was a Yuton, and I think that's how it's staying. And then there's also Scooby-Doo. I did actually see they actually had plenty of Mohawks. They also have they had all 4 of these trucks here. Yeah. Plenty of Mohawks, plenty of low stock of Alien Invasion. I only saw like one Avenger. 1 or 2 Avengers, and a few Scooby-Doos, but they had stock of all the trucks in the back. I saw on the 1/64 scale version, which I will hopefully get, that there's like a silver line down here, not just this circle, not just the circle. Yeah, but anyway. That's really cool. Look. I can't wait to add this to my 1/4 scale collection. By the way, I haven't shown very much. I have a video up that shows a tiny bit of Max D, but what really it is, I've also got like 3 other trucks if you include this one in 124. And those trucks are, we have King Crunch, BKT, Max D, and Alien Invasion. And this is just sick. This is absolutely awesome. I'll be unboxing this back in Melbourne, so yeah. Just remember that I'm flying back tomorrow, so in my time, it will probably be on, if I have time, probably Thursday. 'Cause I think I'm busy every other day except Thursday. So yeah, I will see you guys a little bit. Okay, that was my last day in Sydney. Well, bits of my last day in Sydney. Tomorrow we will be going to the airport on Airport Link train and flying back to Melbourne, so it will be goodbye Sydney tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you, Gunzels.